Hello children, Sai Ram. Welcome to Maths class today children. Yes, today we will learn basic geometry part 2. Yes, we have learned the shapes. Okay, now we will learn straight and curved lines. Pick up a skipping rope. You play skipping, right children? Hold it from both ends and stretch it tightly. Okay, you also stretch like this with your friend. Yes, here also you can see the girls are holding the skipping rope straight. So this is a straight line. Yes, these two girls, they are holding the skipping rope straight. So this is a straight line with the yellow color. I have shown you with the yellow color. Now they have loosened the rope a little. Okay, now you see these two girls with the red color. They have made loose the skipping rope. They have made loose. This is a curved line with the red color. This is a curved line. Yes, they have made loose the rope a little. Okay, now these are also curved lines. Yes, with the red color. These are also curved lines. So we have seen the straight line and the curved line. Now raise one end of the rope and stretch it tightly. Now here you can see the girl. She is holding tightly. Okay. So this is a slanting line. Yes, the girl you can see with the color, and this is also a straight line. Yes, this is also a straight line. Now vertical and horizontal lines. We will see what is vertical lines and horizontal line. A straight line from left to right is a horizontal line. Now here you can see the straight line from left to right is called as a horizontal line. These girls are holding the skipping rope tightly horizontally. Okay, a straight line from left to right is a horizontal line. Now here, these girls, a straight line from top to bottom is a vertical line. Now here you can see with the green color, yes, the straight line from top to bottom is called as a vertical line with the green color. Can you see children? The from top to bottom is called a vertical line. A straight line from top to bottom is a vertical line. So we have seen vertical and horizontal lines today. Yes? Okay. Now, write how many lines are there in each picture? A. Slanting lines. Yes, now here with the red color, one slanting line, two slanting line. So what we will write here children? 2. How many slanting lines are there? With the red color, 2. 1 and 2. Now horizontal line in the middle you can see with the yellow color 1. How many horizontal lines? 1. So slanting lines are 2 and horizontal lines are 1. Now we'll go to the next one, B. Okay. Now in this figure, how many vertical lines are there? How many horizontal lines and how many slanting lines with the yellow color? You can see 2 vertical lines are there with yellow color. Okay, now horizontal lines. Now at the top with the blue color 1 and down 2. Horizontal line 2 with the blue color. Now in the middle you can see one slanting line with the purple color. Yes. So how many slanting lines are there? 1. So in this figure we have 2 vertical lines, 2 horizontal lines and 1 slanting line. Now come to the next one, C. How many curved lines are here children? Tell me. 1 and 2. How many curved lines? 1 and 2 with a purple color. Next, vertical line. Yes, now here with the red color, one vertical line and next one, two vertical lines. So how many vertical lines are there? Two. Now we will see the horizontal lines. How many horizontal lines? One horizontal line, two horizontal line with the blue color. Yes. So in this figure, we have curved lines 2, vertical lines 2, horizontal lines 2. Yes. Very good. Now tell me children in this B, how many straight line is there? One. Very good. With the red color. One with the red color. Straight line is one. How many curved lines you can see there with the blue color? Tell me. One and two. Very good. Curved lines are two. How many straight lines are here? One. And how many curved lines? Two. Now come to E1. Now, how many slanting lines are there here, children, with the blue color? See, 1, 2, 3, and 4. There are 4 slanting lines and one horizontal line we can see with the yellow color. So, how many slanting lines are there? 4 with the blue color. 1, 2, 3, 4. And how many horizontal lines? 1. Okay, now come to F, that is number 5. Now tell me children, how many curved lines are there? One with a yellow color. Very good. And straight lines, we will count the straight line. One vertical straight line, one horizontal. So there are two straight lines. Yes, in the figure 5, there are curved lines 1 and straight lines 2. Now drawing lines, we are going to draw a line. A ruler or scale is used to draw straight lines. We also use it to measure lines that are already drawn. Now here you can see horizontal. The scale is in the horizontal. Now here vertical line. Vertical line. Now next you can see it is a slanting line. It is not a straight line. It is little slant. Okay. So first one horizontal line. Second one vertical line. And at the last you can see the slanting line. Very good. Remember, hold the ruler firmly so that it does not move. Use a well-sharpened pencil. Whenever you draw a line, you should always use a well-sharpened pencil. Okay, now we will draw the lines. There are some other things we can use to draw lines, but we cannot measure lines using them. Now pencil box. Here is book. Now to draw curved lines, we use a special instrument called compass. Curved lines can be drawn using some objects or freehand. Here bangle, okay, you uses the compass. Then plate, bowl, freehand, and this is the compass. There are some other things we can use to draw lines, but we cannot measure lines using them. Pencil box, book. To draw curved lines, we use a special instrument called compass. Curved line can also be drawn using some objects or freehand. Bangle, plate, bowl, freehand, compass. Now we are going to draw the line. Draw lines as directed using a ruler. Now first we will draw horizontal line. Okay, now see how to draw the horizontal line from one end to the other end. This is called as the horizontal line. This is the blue color. Can you see children how to draw the horizontal line? Very good. Now we will draw vertical line. The vertical line starts from up to down with the blue color. See here, vertical line up to down, straight. Now slanting line. How we will draw the slanting line? Yes, it is little slant. Okay, the slanting line is little bit slant. Now tracing shapes. We can trace some flat shapes using the base of a solid shaped things. For example, the base of a bucket will give us a circle. You can see the base is a circle here. So we have to see the base. Fifth, name the plane shapes we can get from the base of the given solid shape. Now in this bottle, Bisleri bottle, what you can see at the base, children? Tell me what you can see the base. Here the base is circle. So we will write circle. What we will write? Circle. Very good. Now second one, what you can see here, children? The box. Yes. So what you will write? Now this box is like a square. So we will write a square. Box is square. You can see with the red one I have marked. This is a square. Now C. Now what is this cap? Now the down part. What is the base? Circle. So what it will come? Circle. So A, circle. B, it is a square shape. And third one, the base is circle. Now here, this book, you can see the opposite sides are equal. So it is a rectangle. Opposite sides are equal. Up, down and at the side. All the opposite sides are equal. Now E1. What is the shape here? It has three sides, three corners. The shape is triangle. So we will write triangle. Yes, with the red color I mark it is a triangle. Now F1. Now here also the opposite sides are equal. See here 1, 2, 3, 4. So the opposite sides are equal. They are rectangle. So what we will write? Rectangle. So D1 is rectangle, E1 is triangle and F1 is rectangle. So we have completed part 2 of basic geometry. Bye bye children. Thank you.